What's up guys, welcome back to the Cheesy Does a Cooking vlog. Today we're making pot roast. First, set your oven to 350 degrees. Put your pot in the center and let it roast until fork tender. So I googled the recipe and it turns out the pot roast is made with beef chuck, not an actual pot. What a stupid name for a recipe. Here I have 2 pounds of beef chuck. If you're serving your friends and family, I recommend using a larger piece, around 5 to 6 pounds. But if you don't have anybody in your life, then this should do just fine. Generously season the meat with salt, garlic powder, and pepper on both sides, and make sure you mop up all the seasoning like a ShamWow. Boop! Then coat it with some all-purpose flour, or what some may call booger sugar. Next we have some veggies that we're gonna slow cook along with the roast. I like these veggies, but you can pick whatever you want. Chop everything into large chunks.
Hi guys, not gonna lie, I'm running out of stupid ways to cut vegetables, so leave a comment down below and give me one of your ideas. Okay, back to the recipe, bye.
Boom, done chopping. Now you want to brown your meat. Browning meat is crucial and provides a flavorful crust that will take your roast to another level. So go outside, stick it by the pool for a couple hours, and let the sun do its work. Can you imagine if people took my bits way too seriously? You go out to the pool and it's just assorted meats sprawled out, taking up all the chairs. Set a pot on high heat and add oil. Keep hot oil from splattering. Gently place the meat into the pot. Cook it on all sides until it's golden brown. Then remove the meat, then add in your vegetables. Start with the veggies that are harder and more dense, like carrots, potatoes, celery. Season it with salt and pepper. Add some rosemary, thyme, cloves, and 2 star anise. Then dig a little wishing well and add some tomato paste. After the veggies are tendered up, add the soft wimpy vegetables and mix it all together. Now we need to incorporate a liquid. Add in some of this racist cat blood and cook it out for a few minutes. Next, pour in some beef stock and bury your meat back in. Bring the pot up to a boil and cover it up so we can put it into an oven that's been preheated to 275 degrees. Oh, I forgot that this is still here. Cook your pot roast in the oven for 2 to 3 hours or until the beef is fall apart tender. Okay, it's been about 2.5 hours and we're done. Remove your meat, then boil the pot again to reduce the sauce. This will increase flavor and thickness. And there you have it. And I must say guys, this pot roast came out amazing. It was flavorful, meaty, and also really healthy. I mean if you take out the fat and the flour and the butter that I used off camera, and the pot. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look at Sissa. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does a Cooking. Shout out of the week goes to All Things Barbecue. Really cool stuff. Chef Tom's great. You may be wondering why I'm spinning in circles. I don't know why I'm doing it either. All I know is I'm getting sick.
Oh, gadget!
I know I usually have a after credit scene, but I didn't have anything good to use at the end, so I'm gonna tell you a joke. What did the janitor say when he jumped out of the closet? Supplies! Wait, I don't get it. Supplies? Like, he's a janitor. Why would he jump out of the closet though? Did people know he was in there before? Supplies. Oh! I get it. It's because they're all out of supplies and he's bringing them. Ha!
Oh, all of a sudden you a bad bitch. Just got a fat ass like it's magic.